Hey guys, wagwan. Me sure enough I wanna never know say me a Jamaican, but you know I gonna know today because this is a Jamaican voiceover. So a peer part for me a chat. Anyway, let's get right into the tutorial. And the first thing me I do is moisturize my face because you need to start off your makeup routine with well moisturized face. So after me apply the moisturizer, the next thing me do is prime my face, and I may use the putty primer by e.l.f. Love this primer, especially if you have oily skin. And the good thing is if you don't have oily skin, they have a different one for you. If you have acne, they have a different one for you too. So you can get a e.l.f. putty primer for whatever skin type you have. So in my T-zone, me put a little Maybelline pore eraser just to smooth out my pores right there. So, and of course underneath my eye we put some eye cream because we want underneath my eye to be hydrated so you don't look dry and cakey with the makeup. And I spritz my face with some Scandinavia setting spray. Make that one set now while me do my brows. If I do my brows, me not really use nothing special, just a cheap e.l.f. pencil. It's retractable and this is the dark brown one. So I just outline the bottom of my brows, then me do the same thing at the top, and then me fill in the middle section so no empty spots in my brows, it look uniform. Of course, me take the little spoolie part of the pencil and brush out the pencil throughout the brows so it look natural. So now that the brows well filled in, the next thing I'm gonna do is clean up the brows and start clean up the bottom. And I use a concealer 1 to 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. Let me just take a little concealer brush and outline it. And of course, me not leave it like that. We have to blend it out because we want it to look natural. We don't want it to look fake. Just use a little dense brush and just blend it in or blend it out, anyhow you want to say it, but we are blend. The top part now, me don't use the same concealer because me don't want a halo brow. You never see some people and you see them brows from a mile because it's so isolated. Yes, that's because they use the lighter concealer on the top of them brows. So we don't want that. So me use my foundation and my skin tone on the top of the brows, and of course me blend it out again because I want it to look natural. This is a personal preference where once me finish my brows, me like to take a little dark brown powder and just pat it on the brows, and it just gives my brows just a sleek, nice look. Alright, now to the eyes. Me prep the eyelids now for eyeshadow. Me use the same light concealer when me use clean up the bottom of the brows, and me just prep the eyelid. If you notice, the same little dense brush I use, and of course after I finish that now, I'm going with the beauty blender to just blend it out. So what I'm doing here, I set the eyelid with a little translucent powder. Onto eyeshadow now, I do a little purple cut crease look. I do a little purple and green or teal. I'm not sure what kind of color that is, but I know that is the color I want to use today. Mix with this purple, so I start off with a deep purple shade. I take a little brush and just carve out the crease. I don't have a lot of eye space, so I create a new crease just a little above my natural crease line. I just pack on the color. No blending, I just pack it on. And then I start lightly blend it. We want the color to look pigmented, or if you don't know what that means, we want it to look bright on our eye. So now we just blend it lightly with the same little brush. Alright, so the edge kind of look harsh, so I take a little pink shade. By the way, the colors I use, these are from the Coastal Scents eyeshadow palette. So I just use a pink. It don't really show up on camera, but I am using a little pink shade to just blend out the edge. Alright, see it there. You can see the gradient. A little pink just falling into the purple, or the purple going up into the pink. That is the gradient I want, that is how I want it to look. So now it's time to cut the crease. So this part kind of takes a little patience. You have to take your time because you want to get the right shape, you want to cut the crease at the right place, and you need steady hands. So just take your time. You don't have to rush. You don't come from Russia, right? So you don't have to rush. Just take a little time and cut the crease, carve it out how you want it, in the shape where you want it, as far as you want it. See me take mine to the end of my eyebrow tail. And now me just pack on the concealer on the eyelid where me plan to put more shadows. One tip me like for the when I do a cut crease, me like to use a little wipe and wipe off that section. You see me put the concealer, or sometimes me take a little Q-tip with some petroleum jelly and just wipe it off, and it come off easily. So you have a blank canvas to put your new colors. But if you want to just blend on your concealer, nothing wrong with that. You can do that still, and your eyeshadow will come out nice same way. Whatever works for you, do that. Don't make nobody tell us you have to do it this way or you have to do it that way, because makeup not have no rules. You do what works for you. Alright, so now that I'm finished cut the crease now, I'm going with a black shadow at the outer end of the eyelid, and then I pack on a little deep purple to just blend the black upon the eyelid. The main color upon the eyelid now is that green, and we use that from the inner corner of the eye up to halfway on the eyelid. And we just pack it on, and then me try blend each color into each color so it flows naturally and in a look patchy. Is that the right word me look for? But you know what I mean. See, me I blend the two colors into each other right now, so then just fall seamlessly into one another. That's what I mean. And of course, we blend out the little edge again because we want it to look flawless. By the way, guys, if you are watching this video, if you like the video so far, don't be afraid to subscribe. Don't be shy. We can be friends. So just hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and just follow your girl and support her, because that will motivate me to make more videos, to do more hot makeup tutorial. So just give your girl a subscribe. You can also comment, tell me if you like the video. You can share it and just make sure you like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for the support, and just continue to support. Alright, right here, so now at the top of the crease, we decided to make a little extra today, because you know, so we have to be extra sometime. So I'm going to put on some gems. So I just take some eyelash glue and just put that on there, and that may go use to hold my gems in place. Gems I may use right here, so is some of my nail gems. Funny how you can use nail products in makeup and makeup products in nails, because you can use eyeshadow on nails to give them a chrome look, and you can also use nail products on in your makeup routine. So this is one reason why I choose to do the eye first, because there will be fallout sometimes, and you can just clean it up easy with a wipe. Now you imagine if me did do my foundation first, that would have get messed up, and it would have given me more work to fix this and fix that. So I chose to do my eyeshadow first, because I know the work it would have given me to clean up after. Alright, me just take a gel eyeliner. It is from e.l.f. with a little flat angled brush. Just I use that for line the eye. Here I'm applying fake lash, false lash, because if you don't put that on, you know it look not complete. I'm sure you can notice it gives it such a different look when you put on the false eyelash. So I just put on the false eyelash. some mascara now. This one is from Maybelline. Maybelline has some good mascara. If you're looking for a good mascara, Maybelline has some good mascara. You can just run into a Walmart and pick up, because these are drugstore mascara, but them good. So to smoke out the bottom of the eye, I use the same deep purple and just going with the pink for just smoke it out. So now to foundation. If you remember well, I already prepped the face, already prime it and things, so it's ready to lay the foundation now. Yeah, let me just take a flat brush, me spritz it with a little setting spray, and me go in with the foundation. This foundation is by L'Oreal. Guys, me love L'Oreal bad. L'Oreal have a wide variety of foundation shades and enough different foundations to choose from. Me love L'Oreal bad. So let me just pat the foundation into my skin until me feel comfortable. Say yeah, it's sitting right on the skin now. Do that on the whole face, and then if you notice, me already placed my contour shade at the areas where me want contour. So now me put on my little concealer to highlight under my eyes and the other areas where me want highlight. Taking my beauty blender, me just blend out the contour, and same thing for the concealer under my eye. Me blend out my highlighted areas now. And it's not just a beauty blender; it's a damp beauty blender. This that I'm doing here now, me just like to take the foundation brush and put on the foundation and just use it and blend out the edges. Everything must look seamless. Me not like to say the contour start here so, and the foundation the there so, and the highlight the there so. And me take a dark shadow to just set the contour. Me already set the highlighted area under my eye. Me already set that. Me contour my nose because I want it to look straight and snatched. Small brush, guys. Me take a little brush for this purpose. Alright, my nose kind of looks straight now. Let me just set the other areas with a powder will match my skin tone. Just set the other areas. The areas where we never highlight our contour. Going in with some blush now. This is from Coastal Scents. I'm just add my blush. Give me a nice natural looking flush on the cheeks. I don't like my blush too harsh, I like a subtle blush. And then I just add a little highlight. It's from L'Oreal. It's a L'Oreal nude blush. Add a little highlight from my Cupid's bow down the bridge of my nose to just finish off everything. So what I'm doing here now, I'm taking my face powder in my shade and a fluffy brush and just buff everything out. And buff everything out because we want everything to look natural. We don't want nothing to look harsh. This technique really works. I always do that to finish off my makeup. Yeah. And now I just set everything with a setting spray. This is from Scandinavia. Of course, you can't leave out the lips. I line the lips with a little pencil from Shani. Yeah. We just line the lips. I follow my natural lip line. I go over and I go inside. And then we just take a little brush and I fill it in with a little nude lipstick from AOA. I buy my lipstick at Shop Miss A for $1. Alright. I'm going to top it off with a little lip gloss from LA Colors. Finish off the eyes now. My lower lash line look bare or look empty, so I'm just use the mascara and apply that to the lower lash line just to finish off everything. Now look at that, guys. Look at my face. Look how snatched me look. Look how my face beat. Look how my makeup pretty. If you agree, just give me a thumbs up on this video. Look how girl nice. Look how girl nice. Makeup finish, makeup look good. Just go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. If you like the makeup, you can leave me a comment. I love reading a feedback. Just give me a comment. Let me know what you think. And thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and share the video. I don't mind. I would love if you do that. Thank you so much for watching, and just stay beautiful, stay blessed.